5 fun facts about Itgen, AI, and robotics kits. 1. Students become inventors. With robotics and AI kits, students are not just playing with parts, they're building their own robots from scratch. 2. It makes learning feel like a game. Students get to have fun with coding and electronics, and it feels like solving fun puzzles, not schoolwork. 3. Students can build, break, and rebuild. If it doesn't work at first try, they can fix it and try again. That's real problem solving. 4. With one kit, students can build multiple projects. They can build a line-following robot today, and tomorrow a windmill or traffic light. The possibilities are endless. 5. It boosts students' confidence. Seeing their robots work after all the efforts feels amazing and motivating. Make sure to get Itgen AI and robotics kits for your students for the new year.
Itgen Solutions. Inspire, learn, evolve.